Alright, truth be told, I haven't swam laps in about 2 years, and if I'm going to be dishing out ways for people to improve their swimming, then I better start practicing what I preach. So, let's do a 20-minute swim and see what this looks like. Goal was 20 minutes. I'm pretty sure it's either a year and a half or 2 years without swimming, and my God, that was difficult. I only did 30 lengths of this pool. I think it's 15 meters. It's a swimming pool on our complex. It's hard to find a lap swimming pool here where we live in Mexico. This place is usually busy with kids. 30 lengths. My God, swimming's amazing. My shoulders are burning. It feels great to be back in the water. It's like yoga, it's like meditation, just absolutely zoning out, no impact. Feeling great. Let's keep it up.